Very good morning to you all. Today I am extending again the chapter, same chapter, that is the local self-government, but the study material is the new one. In my last class we discussed about the local self-government, basically what the local self-government is, why this is needed in the India, and how does it satisfy the deprived and the poor people who are residing in the villages or the rural area. We also discussed about the municipality and the municipality corporations. Here, I am just extending, when you are doing and the planning something, definitely there will be some odds there. In the same manner, during the processing of the local self-government, there are so many difficult phases we faced. Then after, there have been so many, committee and the commissions have been structured to meet the challenge and to overcome that very problem. Here, in the 1977, the appointment of the Ashok Mehta Committee did bring a new thinking in the concept and the practice of the Panchayati Raj. Really, this was a very important breakthrough in the period of the 1977, उस ज़माने में 1977 में अशोक मेहता कमेटी बनी और एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट और एक नए प्रैक्टिस के साथ पंचायती राज के लिए, दैट वाज द ब्रेक थ्रू फॉर द इंडियन concept. Basically, in the year of the 1977, the Ashok Mehta findings was two-tier Panchayati Raj institution. He suggested there must be a two-tier of the Panchayati Raj. One is Jila Parishad and second is Mandal Panchayat. This was an important recommendation recommended by the Ashok Mehta in the 1977. As the time passes, in the year of 1985, there was also a structured committee, G.V.K. Rao committee, recommended making a district as a basic unit of the plan. This finding, especially G.V.K. Rao committee in the year of the 1985, this was a finding that we must make district as a very important portal or a basic unit of a plan. हुआ यूँ कि 1985 में एक कमेटी बनी जिसका नाम था G.V.K. राव कमेटी. उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो होता है वो एक बेसिक यूनिट होना चाहिए प्लानिंग का. स्पेशली द L.M. Singhvi कमेटी रिकमेंडेड providing more financial resources than the constitutional status to the panchayat to strengthen them. L.M. Singhvi कमेटी भी बनी. इस कमेटी में to make it ensure there must be financial power and some legal power must be vested to panchayat to make it strong. In the same manner, the amendment phase began with the 64 Amendment Bill 1989, which was introduced by the Rajiv Gandhi seeking the strengthening of the Panchayati Raj, but bill was not passed in the Rajya Sabha. Actually, the thing happened during the Prime Ministership. Rajiv Gandhi was very much seeking and interested to make the Panchayati Raj strengthen and make it more powerful, so that it must be passed, but it didn't happen. 74 amendment bills combined PRIs and the municipality. Especially this 74 amendment here, a one new thing has been added, that was the municipality. PRI was already in the processing, लेकिन यहाँ पे म्यूनसिपैलिटी को ऐड किया गया and was introduced in the 1990 but was never taken up for a discussion. लेकिन जैसे ही म्यूनसिपैलिटी और पीआरआई को ऐड करके जब इसकी बात हमारे पार्लियामेंट में होने लगी, तो ये एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट था इंडियन थर्ड टायर गवर्नमेंट के लिए, या डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ द पावर के लिए, स्पेशली इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी के लिए. बट देयर वाज ए ग्रेट ब्रेक थ्रू. इट वाज द ड्यूरिंग द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सिंह ऑफ द पीवी नरसिम्हा राव that comprehensive amendment was introduced in the form of the 72 amendment bill in the 1991. In the 1991, under the prime ministership of the Narasimha Rao, this formal amendment has been done for the comprehensive amendment, and after the keeping all the findings of the Ashok Mehta, G.V.K. Rao, L.M. Shinghvi, and finally there was a very comprehensive and very effective PRI with the municipality was come in the shade, and finally the act came in the force as the Constitution 73rd Amendments Act in the 1992, April 24th, 1993, Constitution 74 Amendment Act 1992. Finally it implemented in the 1992. The main person of the local self-government, especially as we discussed earlier, that the maximum population reside in our country even today in the rural area. This especially local self-government there is a visionary that would be a self-made government elected by the local people, and this was basically a hypothesis of the nation of the Father Gandhiji, and finally it was the completed. And right now it has become the 29 years of the Panchayati Raj. The thing is going on very perfectly. A lot of the thing has been done, but a lot of thing have to be done in the coming days. And this Panchayati Raj, or the municipality and the municipal corporation, has given a new shape, new horizon for Indian democracy, so that even the forest people, even the people who are residing in the village and the town, who can have better say in the democracy, and they must believe that the democracy is a system where my needs can be fulfilled, and this has been this PRI and the municipality and the municipal corporation have been serving a lot of the people and just giving to improve the confidence to build up. In the meantime, I am closing up my lecture. Thank you.